I'm Steve from Goss Hall Werks. Formed Goss Hall Werks about 15 years ago and gone on from there, building it up, get busier and busier all the time. Been trading many years now. As time gone on, moved over to just Porsche. A few years, 15, 20 years ago we were Mercedes. My son now runs that, and I've always had an interest in Porsche, so that's the way I wanted it to go. So this is the only premises that I've been where I've done solely Porsche. At previous places where we did the Mercedes, that was a few miles away, but this has been just solely Porsche all the time that we've been here. When I moved in, it was just an old farm, which we've just slowly converted, slowly improving the buildings. Still a lot more to do, but we do everything, right from 356s, right through to the latest 992s. We cover everything. Engine rebuilding, gearbox rebuilding, we do in-house. We don't do paintwork, but we do fabrication and restoration work. And then we use outside people for painting. But apart from that, we do everything here. Got a select jig for doing the chassis work on 911s. So yes, we can do everything. With regard to the diagnostics side, we are linked with Porsche on the PPN system. We've got factory diagnostics, official factory diagnostics, with a link to the factory for programming. We've got access to all security codes, etc. So we're pretty much covered on most things, yes. In the main workshop, we've got 4 ramps. We are just converting a building that we previously used for storage into an additional workshop just because we're getting so busy, and we're going to have a further two lifts put in there, sort of thing, really, yeah, which is, well, it's happening now, it's going on at the moment, yeah. Very difficult to get suitable people over here. We just find that, well, difficult to get anybody with Porsche background, really. We're just stuck out a little bit on our own over this side, and it's too far for other people to travel from other specialists or main dealers and that sort of thing, really. It's got a very friendly team that work very well together, and yeah, it all goes well. I would say we're sort of 50-50 between servicing and repairs, really. We do a lot of Macans and Cayennes, very popular in this area because it's just so practical for many uses in the country, sort of thing. We've got horsey people that have them for towing their boxes, and family people for getting their kids to school and things like that. So we do a lot of those. My real interest is the air-cooled, I suppose, because of my age probably. I mean, that's what I've brought up with. That's where I like to get involved on that side. I still like being hands-on, and I really enjoy it, and I'd much rather be doing that than estimates, but sitting behind a desk. But it's one of those things. Normal Macan issues, brakes, suspension, front lower arms, etc., which we always purchase from yourselves at Design 911. It's where we get all our parts from, and we don't have any hassle with it, so all the parts are good quality and excellent, fast delivery. So people are good to deal with, so it works well, really works well, yeah. In the workshop today then, we've got a 991.2 having new turbos. This is something that we're starting to see a bit of. We've had half a dozen, I suppose, in the last year, I would think, with turbos failing, mainly smoking on hard acceleration, but yeah, not a strong point there. I suppose 993s, we do more 993s air-cooled one than any other air-cooled cars. 993s, yeah, there's a lot of 993s around here.
What's the story with the blue?
Oh yeah, well that is a bit of a story with that one. Customer imported it from South Africa, and he brought it to us saying that it was off on this tour to Japan. This was last year, and it's meant to be a fully restored car, and we'd got 3 weeks until it was due to be shipped if we could just have a look round it. And it turned into a top-end engine rebuild because it had worn-out camshafts. We're converting our current storage unit into an additional workshop space because we just need the space. Another thing that I want to do, and I'm hoping that we will get up and running next year, is to have a little cafe on site and do car meets, etc., because we've got the space and the setting is good for that. So that is something that we've talked about, but next year we are going to have it up and running for next year, which I think will be quite popular, I think, really. But yeah, we keep up to date with what we need equipment wise. We've recently invested in full ADAS equipment for aligning all the cameras, etc., which is something that we're going to see more and more of now as the vehicles with those systems fitted are getting older. We'll be doing more of that type of work, so we're ready for that. So yeah, we just try to keep abreast of what is going on. We have got a good reputation. Any of our reviews, you'll see that we do get consistently get good reviews. I like to think that we're friendly and come across well to customers, that try to make people welcome, and obviously we try to keep high standards in making sure that everything goes out the door right first time. Not always possible, but we do our best, sort of thing. I'm more interested in making sure the car is right than absolute maximum profit, really. I just want the customers to be happy, and we don't do a great deal of advertising. Most of our business is word of mouth, and we do get a lot of new customers, so we must be doing something right. So that's what we want to carry on, moving it forward like that. Yeah. My daughter Stacey has recently joined the company. She's going to be taking over more and more of the day-to-day running as years go by. So we'll carry on when I retire. Yeah. Saturdays we get quite a few people just calling in just to have a look round. Everybody's welcome anytime, really, and to come and have a look, see what we do. When we get new customers, that's one of the first things I say on the phone is, come down, meet, before you put your car in, come and see us, meet us, have a chat, so you can see what we do, where we are, and then if you're happy with what you see, we'll put your car in, and a lot of people do that, and it works well. Yeah.